Just making breakfast. Already got one on today's cooking show. I'm making another egg right now, you know. So I'm gonna come over here, gonna salt the egg, you know, throw a little fandango, right? You got the the black pepper, right? So I can just throw that in a little bit, and now where's a good spot? I'm gonna find that I have the perfect flipping motion, and it's gonna require all of you to see this. Are you fucking ready? I fully splashed myself with egg. I'm an egg splasher. That's the first time that's ever happened. I would. Well, now that the egg's flawlessly flipped, I apply the cheese, and it cohesively melts awesomely. And comes out to look something like awesomeness. It's greatness. It's the best. You'll love it. Catch you next time on Cooking with Spenny G. I'm an egg splasher.